I'm Tim Barkley with Charleston Home and Design Magazine and talking about a home show on the radio. We're here at Gilead Auditorium at the Charleston Home and Design Show in downtown Charleston. We're speaking with Tim Askins with Residential Elevator. How are you doing, Tim?
I'm doing great today. Thanks, Tim.
Good, good. Tell everybody about Residential Elevator.
Well, we're a national manufacturer with offices located all across the country, and we sell elevators, home elevators only, factory direct, generally to contractors or to homeowners. We have about 35 offices, and we do all of our own installation and service work with our own crews.
Good deal. Tell us about your display here today.
Well, we have on display our two elevator systems. We have the Luxury Lift 950 and the Horizon Lift 950. They're both 950-pound capacity elevators, which is the largest you can have by code. And they are identical in most every aspect other than the drive systems. The hydraulic elevator has a separate machine area and drives the elevator with a hydraulic piston, while the Horizon Lift is what's called in the industry a traction elevator. And this is the newest thing in the industry. If you go in any high-rise building like the Peachtree Plaza or something like that, the elevator that you ride in will be a traction elevator. So we've taken this technology and scaled it down to home size, and we're able to offer it to the homeowner actually at a savings generally over the cost of a hydraulic.
What kinds of trends are you seeing in the elevator industry these days?
Well, I think the traction elevator is probably the biggest new thing that's come out. We've been manufacturing them for about 8 years now. We cycled out the old winding drum elevator, which a lot of folks had back in the old days, which was a glorified winch. It just wound a cable up on a winch drum, and that's how it brought the elevator up and down. So with the traction elevator, we're utilizing a counterweight system and a modern electric drive, and it's all computer operated.
Super. I saw you talking a little bit earlier to a homeowner, and you asked if they were building a new house. They replied that no, they had an existing home. Are you able to help homeowners that are remodeling and in a house that's already built?
Well, interesting that you asked that question. In this particular market, we're doing more add-on elevators than ever before, and it's driven by a couple of different factors. One, people are in houses that they maybe anticipated only being there for a couple of years, and they're realizing that they're going to be there longer now. So they want to have access to the whole house, top to bottom. So they're adding the elevator to gain access. And the demographics of the United States, we're an aging population, so as people get older, live longer, they want to stay in this dream home that they've built, they need access. And we're able to provide them with that by installing an elevator.
So you can retrofit an elevator then on an existing home?
In just about any home. We can either have a contractor build a shaft on the outside of the home or incorporate it into closets or a laundry room area or something like that. A lot of times we come up on a porch or a deck as well.
How can folks get in touch with you at Residential Elevators?
Well, we're available on the web at www.residentialelevators.com, and I'm the local factory rep here in Mount Pleasant for the Charleston area. And they can reach me by phone at 843-200-5683.
Okay, we've been speaking with Tim Askins with Residential Elevators here at the Charleston Home and Design Show, Gilead Auditorium in downtown Charleston. Thank you, Tim.
Thank you, Tim.